been a beautiful morning here in northern Mississippi. Conditions over Columbus, not a cloud in the sky, plenty of sunshine streaming through, and that's the case here at Mississippi State as well. Right now we're sitting at a temperature at 67 degrees, so no clouds in the sky, plenty of sunshine coming through, and that dew point is nice and low, keeping that temperature low as well. And really, across the region we're seeing beautiful temperatures right now. It feels more like fall than it does summer. So 66 in Greenwood, down in Jackson 68, and also 66 up in Tupelo. And regionally, we're seeing these beautiful temperatures across the region as well. Have to go all the way down to New Orleans to even get into the 70s. So 72 also in Mobile, and 66 here in the Golden Triangle. And a large part of those beautiful temperatures are due to these low dew points. So this dry air helps to keep us in the low temperatures, and with that northerly wind, it's beautiful temperatures outside. But for your weather highlights this week, we are going to have northerly flow persisting here in Mississippi. So that's going to make those fall-like temperatures stick around for a few more days. But then by Friday, we're going to start to see a little bit of a warm-up, but still we're going to be below average. So we'll see temperatures in the 80s instead of the 90s. Right now we have Hurricane Katia out in the Atlantic. Right now Category 1 has weakened significantly from earlier this week, and the track is keeping Katia mostly coming to the closest point of the United States Friday, and then quickly moving off to sea. And actually the United Kingdom is in the forecast cone for later this week, so we'll have to see how that plays out. But we also have Tropical Storm Maria, so recently upgraded from a tropical depression. Still pretty weak right now, winds at 50 miles an hour, and really not going to see too much strengthening over the next coming days. It's going to take a mostly western track as it approaches the Antilles Islands, and then by Sunday we're going to start to see it move a little bit further north, so it could see another East Coast impact later this week, but we'll let you know. National satellite is looking fairly clear right now. Large area of low pressure over the Midwest, and then also the remnants of Tropical Storm Lee are pushing off into the Mid-Atlantic. So the Mid-Atlantic states do have a slight risk for severe weather, and the Northeast is getting some more rain, but here in Mississippi we're looking to stay cool and dry. That's because we are sandwiched between a high pressure and the remnants of Lee as a low pressure. So that northerly flow sandwiched between us is bringing down that cooler air from the north. We're going to stay nice and dry, so it's going to be beautiful temperature-wise for us for the rest of the week. Futurecast is keeping us clear for the most part as well. Just a few high clouds coming in on Thursday, but otherwise we're going to see clear skies and beautiful temperatures. Today we're looking at a high of around 77, so northwest wind from 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunny and cool is the main story, and we're going to remain dry and cool through the evening. 54 is what we're going to plunge to tonight, so a little brisk out there. If you're going out to study outside or lay on the hammock, you might want to bring a jacket because it is a little chilly. But tomorrow we're going to warm up to 77 again, so beautiful forecast. Not many clouds in the sky, but it is going to be breezy. That wind is coming from the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Really, for the rest of your work week, we just see these beautiful fall-like temperatures. Friday we start to see a little bit of a warm-up. We're going to be around 80 degrees and see just a few high clouds, but mostly sunny skies. For your weekend, we're really going to start to see that temperature ramp up, start that warming trend. We're going to top out at around 83 on Saturday and 84 on Sunday. So great weekend to spend some time outside for sure. And then by the time we get to Monday, the start of the work week, we're going to remain at around 84 and have sunny skies and just beautiful next few days ahead. Thank you for tuning in to your Campus Connect forecast. I'm meteorologist Cara Bolognini.